The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale, 1956. Mastering Your Mind for Success. Discover Earl Nightingale's transformative 1956 self-help classic that changed millions of lives with one powerful truth: we become what we think about. The power of thought. Our thoughts are magnetic forces shaping our reality. They draw experiences that match their frequency. Positive thinking creates positive outcomes. Negative thinking manifests adverse conditions. You need to direct your thoughts to what you want to achieve. What occupies your mind becomes your destiny. Choose your thoughts with intention. The law of attraction focuses on four main principles: think it, feel it, believe it, receive it. Think it. Focus your thoughts on what you want. Feel it. Generate emotions, not general, generate emotions as if you have already achieved it. Believe it. Trust in the process without doubt and receive it. Welcome your manifestations with gratitude. Goal setting, your mental blueprint. First, you need to define your desires. Clarify exactly what you want. Vague wishes yield vague results. Write your desires down. Commit your goals to paper. This crystallizes them in physical reality. It is very important to set deadlines. Time constraints create urgency and focus. They transform dreams into projects. Review daily. Consistent review keeps goals at the forefront of your consciousness. The 30-day mental diet challenge. Start by committing to positivity. Pledge to think only positive thoughts for 30 consecutive days. Monitor your thoughts. Become aware of negative patterns. Catch yourself when pessimism arises. Redirect instantly. Immediately replace negative thoughts with positive alternatives. Reset if needed. If you sleep, don't despair. Simply restart your 30-day counter. Persistence is the key to breakthroughs. Initially, you have excitement. The excitement of beginning fuels your first steps toward your goal. As you're working towards your goal, some challenges may arise and progress slows. Most people quit here. This is where you need to apply the persistence phase, as it is very important. Those who continue despite obstacles build character and momentum. Persistent effort eventually breaks through resistance, creating success. The power of disciplined habits. Morning ritual. Begin each day reviewing your goals and affirming your success. You need to take consistent action. Take small steps towards your goals daily. Consistency trumps intensity. Evening review. Reflect on progress and celebrate your wins. Plan improvements and express gratitude for what you already have and what you already have accomplished. A powerful disciplined habit is a habit of continuous learning. Feed your mind daily with wisdom that supports your vision. You can cultivate a success mindset by applying 4 simple principles. You need to have thought awareness. You need to recognize your mental patterns. When things are not going the way you want, you need to have mental resilience and bounce back from setbacks. It is also important to have positive expectancy, meaning that you should be anticipating favorable outcomes. You should aim to reach enlightened awareness. This means living deliberately with a purpose. The 5% who succeed. Nightingale observed that only 5% of people achieve remarkable success. This minority thinks independently and acts with purpose. This is how to take ownership of your life. Start by choosing your own course rather than drifting with circumstances. Then cultivate your ability to respond positively to any situation. You must take decisive action. Make clear choices rather than letting life happen by default. The garden of your mind. Seeds of thought. Every thought you plant grows into experiences. Choose seeds carefully. Daily tending. Nurture positive thoughts and weed out negative ones promptly. Results come in time, and then it's the time to harvest your creation. Trust the process while working diligently. Applying the strangest secret. You need to have awareness and recognize the power of your thoughts. Focus on getting a deeper understanding and grasp the concepts intellectually. You should apply daily these teachings as they build momentum. Eventually, living with these principles becomes effortless. Success stories. Sarah's transformation. Sarah managed to transform from a struggling entrepreneur to industry leader in just 18 months of applying these principles. Michael's journey. He overcame health challenges and transformed his body by changing his self-image first. The Wilsons' freedom. They shifted from financial stress to abundance by redirecting their thoughts about money. Your 7-day transformation plan. Define your most important goal with crystal clarity. Create and repeat empowering statements that reinforce your vision. Take bold steps toward your goal, no matter how small. And finally, analyze progress, adjust course, and recommit to your vision. The strangest secret revealed. We become what we think about. This simple truth has transformed countless lives. Now it's your turn to harness the strangest secret. If you found value here, like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead with actionable insights. I partner exclusively with top performing entrepreneurs and executives ready to elevate their success. Apply through the link in the description to secure your edge.